Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today, we are looking into the natural world of beauty, specifically the astonishing benefits of beetroot. This vibrant veggie is not just a kitchen staple but also a secret ingredient for a radiant skin and lustrous hair. In this video, we'll explore how to use beetroot in your beauty regimen, from face masks to lip stains, hair masks, and even body scrubs. Stay tuned as we explore the various ways you can incorporate beetroot into your beauty routines. First up, we have a beetroot face mask, a simple yet effective way to enhance your complexion. Start by grating a small beetroot and mixing it with a dollop of honey. Apply this mixture to your face and let it work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes. Once time's up, rinse it off with lukewarm water. This mask is a natural powerhouse, offering a brighter complexion and a dose of antioxidants for healthier-looking skin. Experience the natural glow of your skin with this beetroot face mask. Moving on, let's add a touch of rosy tint to our lips with a beetroot lip stain and nourish our hair with a beetroot hair mask. To make the lip stain, simply cut a beetroot into small pieces and blend until smooth. Strain the juice and store it in a small container. Swipe a small amount of this vibrant juice onto your lips and voila! A natural rosy tint that not only looks good but also nourishes and moisturizes your lips. Now let's shift gears from lips to locks. For the hair mask, you'll need to blend a beetroot into a smooth paste. Mix this with a tablespoon of coconut oil or yogurt. Apply this mixture to your hair, making sure to concentrate on the roots and tips. Let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour, then shampoo and condition as usual. This nutrient-rich mask can promote hair growth and add a glossy shine to dull hair. Both these beetroot beauty hacks are easy to whip up and pack a punch with their natural goodness. The lip stain gives your lips a healthy blush while keeping them moisturized. The hair mask, on the other hand, is a fantastic way to improve hair health and shine. With these two beetroot beauty hacks, you can flaunt luscious lips and shiny hair, so why not give it a try? After all, nature's bounty is the best beauty secret. But why stop there? Let's take our beetroot beauty routine a notch higher with a body scrub, a nail treatment, and an eye mask. Starting with the body scrub, combine equal parts of beetroot juice and sugar. This mixture will exfoliate your skin, leaving it soft and radiant. Gently massage it onto your damp skin in circular motions, then rinse off with water. The sugar granules scrub off dead skin cells while the beetroot juice moisturizes and revitalizes your skin. Now let's move on to the nail treatment. For this, you'll need only beetroot juice. Soak your nails in it for 10 to 15 minutes. This simple routine can work wonders for your nails. The nutrients found in beetroot help strengthen brittle nails and promote healthy growth, giving you stronger and shinier nails. Finally, we have the beetroot eye mask. Chill thin beetroot slices in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Then place these chilled slices over your eyes and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. This treatment can reduce puffiness and dark circles, giving your eyes a refreshed and revitalized look. Remember, these beetroot beauty treatments are not just about enhancing your beauty. They're also about nurturing your skin and nails, promoting their overall health. These beetroot beauty routines will not only enhance your beauty, but also promote your overall skin and nail health. And there you have it, lovelies. A complete guide on how you can use beetroot in your beauty routine. From a skin-brightening face mask to a natural lip tint, from a nourishing hair mask to an exfoliating body scrub, not forgetting a strengthening nail treatment and a soothing eye mask. Beetroot truly is a versatile beauty ingredient. It's important to remember to perform a patch test before using any new beauty ingredient, especially if you have sensitive skin. Always listen to your body and what it needs. But don't be afraid to try something new. Who knows, beetroot might just become your new beauty best friend. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you've learned something new about beetroot. If you're looking forward to more natural beauty tips and tricks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.